Hey guys, this is Angel bringing you another video of my high desert garden. This one is going to be another one of my do-it-yourself videos, and it's going to be on replacing the air filter for the hybrid battery. This is a 2017 Toyota Prius Prime, and I believe it's the same thing for the Toyota Prius Prime all the way through 2022, if I'm not mistaken. This one is going to require two filters, and I'm going to show you how to replace them in just a moment. The filters are going to be located in the back seat. So the first one is going to be on the passenger side. It's going to be this one right here. I don't know if you can see it. The video is kind of dark, but here's the first vent. So what you want to do is you want to remove the weather strip. The weather strip. No, you don't have to remove it completely, but with your fingernails, you kind of grab it and pull towards you. Don't worry, you're not going to break anything. Just like that. And then once you do that, you should be able to grab the cover again with your fingernails. If it doesn't come off, you may need to pry it off with a flat-headed screwdriver like this one. I'm gonna put the phone away. I'm gonna pry it from this point right here, but I can't do it and hold the phone at the same time. So 1 second. I tried to do it with my screwdriver, but it didn't budge. So I'm just gonna use my fingernails and pry it off. See, just like that. Very simple. Here is the filter right here. Again, with your fingernails, just take it off, clean it, or replace it accordingly. Once you're done, place it again, just like that, same way it came off. Put your cover back on, snap it in place, and re-secure your weather stripping. And that's it. We're going to be doing the same thing for the other side. Driver's rear door. Vent is right here. Weather stripping. Remove the cover with your fingernails, just like that. And the filter, see how it just came off on its own? Clean it or replace it accordingly. This one is very clean. You're going to put it back in, just like that. Again, cover back in place. Snap it in place and re-secure the weather stripping. And that's it. That's all I have for you guys today, and I will see you on the next video. Take care now. Bye-bye.